Welcome back, guys, to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. Have you ever wondered about words like ostentatious, capital, hornswoggle? Many words can be hard in the English language to pronounce. I have many fun tips for you on how you can strengthen your pronunciation skills and build up your vocabulary. Want to see them? Let's watch. Hit it.
Question of the week. Profe Angela, can you please make a video of how to improve your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary? Thank you, Sarah, Barranquilla, Colombia. Awesome question. Well, Sarah, did you know that different English-speaking countries have people with many types of accents, but can all be considered to have correct pronunciation? So how can you work on your pronunciation even if you speak your native accent? Here are my 3 top fun tips for you to practice and perfect your pronunciation. Number 1, listening and recording. Number 2, using an audio dictionary. And number 3, singing. Listening and recording. Listening to examples of authentic speech is the most best way to improve your own pronunciation and shadow what they say. Using an audio dictionary. Just as printed dictionaries, which will give you a phonetic transcription of a word, there are lots of online audio dictionaries where you can click and listen to the word being spoken. Sing! Karaoke, anyone? What a fun way to practice! Singing karaoke to your favorite song is an awesome way to practice your pronunciation, as the words serve as a consistent visual aid. And now, vocabulary. Did you think I forgot? Here are my 3 top fun tips to help expand vocabulary. Develop a reading habit. Vocabulary building is easiest when you encounter words in context. Play fun word games. Word games like dictionary and word search really can improve vocabulary because they foster the skills needed for learning words. Having conversations with friends. Practicing using new words in conversation with friends is a good way to build vocabulary.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Take a sentence from your favorite movie or TV show and record yourself saying it until you get it right. Now remember, good pronunciation means being understood, not necessarily sounding like you were born a native English speaker. And if you need help, choose one of the tips in this video and practice.
Thank you, Sarah, for that amazing question this week on pronunciation and strengthening vocabulary. And I hope you guys have a good time creating your sentences for this week's challenge. All right, guys, that's it for Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. Remember, if you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. I hope you all have a very good rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time on Ask Profe Angela. See you!